One of the most famous homilies Pope Francis gave as Archbishop of Buenos Aires, and that is one of the things that helped him be elected Pope. I'm not going to do it justice, but he spoke of that image we all have of Christ knocking on the door, Christ knocking on our door, and how we've always interpreted it as open the door and let Jesus in. And he said, okay, but what if he's knocking on the door to drag us out of our apartment, to drag us out of our home, to go out there with them, whoever them is, and work to grow in wisdom and grace?